I'm here not to reinvent the wheel, but to right what was wrong and to put you on an accurate path, a journey to where you can fall in love with your hair. So how we get questions from you all is from either Instagram or YouTube. And we thank you. We love all of our followers, and 99.9% of you are very appreciative, and I enjoy talking to you and dispelling a lot of the myths and mockery surrounding your hair texture and the crap that was told to you and the hairdressing secrets that hairdressers don't want to share with you, and so on and so on and so on. There's just a whole list of things that the consumer, you, have been lied to about your hair. I am not allowed, I've never been allowed to comment or reply to messages, to any customer service stuff, because I'm a straight shooter. I don't know any other way to be. So you got a good one. It's a challenge sometimes because some of the comments, you guys please, as a rule of thumb, if you are of a certain age, you might understand this. If you ain't got nothing good to say, then don't say it. If you're trying to make a dig at me or my information, don't leave a message. It is just not advisable, and it's not nice. Do you not have any home training? If you don't have anything nice to say, then don't say anything. That will work for you. It will take you a long ways. It's not necessary, but it's a culture on social media that has been allowed to fester. And by all means, it's social media is a beautiful place to seek out injustice and speak up against it. But there's no injustice over here at Hair Rules and Dickey Rules in telling you the truth about your hair. So if you're looking at me and it appears as though I don't look like I know what I might be talking about, because it appears as though I may be a white man, or it appears as though I might not be old enough. I'm old enough to know. I'm old enough to know, and I am black enough to know. My community is a black community. It's not a mixed community. It's not a white community. It's a black community. But I have the unique position to navigate through an industry that was very segregated, one or the other. And culturally, my community has been a victim of a lot of false crap. And so that's where I found my calling. That's my lane. I'm staying in it. But if you come, don't do it. Don't do it. Jesse's better than I am, because Jesse commented on somebody said something nasty the other day. And there's not a lot, but when I did the natural hair movement, past and present, it was some vitriol. I mean, you need help, whoever you are. Then when you feel that you need to question somebody's background and or age or where did they get this, who did they get this from. Some of you don't even know me. And I say that some of you have just discovered me, and that's okay too. You might have just gotten into this thing maybe 10 years ago. Well, I've been doing it for almost 40. Because you discover a new source of information doesn't mean that source of information, because you just found it, is new. So I say all that to say is, please be kind. Please be inquisitive, but don't be disrespectful. I'm here not to reinvent the wheel, but to right what was wrong and to put you on an accurate path, a journey to where you can fall in love with your hair and continue to do all those magical things with your hair without tearing your hair up, because you deserve. Some women don't even think that they have the right to have long hair. But you've been wearing weaves and braids and stuff down to here, and you come to me with your hair tore up to here, and you're like, I just want it to be healthy. Well, tell me your blue sky. Oh, I just want it to be healthy. You don't want it to be long? Well, no, I just want it to be healthy because, well, you, for the last 20 years, you told me you wore braids and wigs down to here, and now your own hair, you don't want it to fall out and you want it to grow, but you can't grow it unless it's healthy. So some women don't even think that they have the right to have long hair, but you do. And come to Hair Rules and you'll see, and anyone will tell you, everybody got some good old hair up in here. You can come in here with tore up hair, but over time you will leave with longer, more beautiful, healthy hair that you cut off, that you grow it to cut it, because you just won't have those types of issues anymore. I hope that helps and I made a little bit of sense for you today. And keep the questions coming. I love you. Bye-bye. So if you like these videos, I hope that you click like and subscribe and go to hairrules.com for further education and find a regimen and products that are specific to your hair texture, not someone else's. And so every day can be a great hair day. And yeah, see you soon.